How to unhide apps from iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and swipe through on your home screen and you will be led to your app library. Here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the hidden tab. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your Face ID. So enter your Face ID and tap hold on the app that you want to unhide. You will then see the option for Don't Require Face ID. Tap on that, and with this, the app will be unhidden as you can see here in your app library. You can also drag the app from your app library and move it to your home screen. So this is how you can unhide apps from iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.